In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkPop by Shopify. By the end, you'll have a live link in bio page connected to your Shopify store and ready to share. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From your main dashboard, head to Settings. You'll find it in the lower corner of the admin, and this is where you manage the core parts of your store. Inside Settings, go to Apps or Apps and Sales Channels. This area is where you install, manage, and update any tools that extend your store's functionality. Next, open the Shopify App Store from there. This takes you to Shopify's official marketplace, where you can safely search and install apps that integrate with your store. In the search bar, type LinkPop. This will bring up link in bio solutions designed to work with Shopify. From the results, select the listing labeled Link Shop, Link in Bio Shop. That's the one we're using in this walkthrough to create a shareable page that highlights your products and links. On the Apps page, click Install. Shopify will display what the app needs permission to access so it can work correctly with your store. Review that information, then proceed. You'll be taken back to your admin to complete the process. When prompted, click Install again to confirm the installation. This second confirmation is normal and ensures the app is properly added to your store's sales channels. Once the app opens, look for the option to Copy URL. Click Copy URL to grab your new link in bio page address. That URL is the one you'll share everywhere your audience finds you. Paste it into your Instagram or TikTok bio, add it to your YouTube description, pin it on your X profile, or include it in your email signature. It's a single link that routes people to a clean page where they can see your featured links and quickly shop your products. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. If you don't immediately see the app after installation, refresh your admin and check Apps and Sales Channels again. If your staff account doesn't allow installations, you may need an owner or admin to complete that step. After you copy the URL, test it in a private browser window to make sure it loads as expected before you publish it widely. That's it. You went from Shopify admin into Settings to Apps, opened the Shopify App Store, searched for LinkPop, selected the Link Shop, Link in Bio Shop listing, installed it, confirmed the install, and copied your live link. You're ready to share your LinkPop-powered page and start turning clicks into customers.